Hello everyone, welcome to Basics e-Learning. I am going to solve Cbse Ncert textbook for class 10 with a detailed explanation for all the chapters. This is problem number 3 from exercise 8.3. So the problem goes like this. If tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degree, where 2a is an acute angle, find the value of a. So the given condition here is 2a is acute angle. That means 2a is less than 90 degree. And they're asking you to find out the value of a. Right? So the given statement is here tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degree. Right? So first thing what we need to do is convert the equation into the same trigonometric ratio both the sides of, right? So here we know tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. So I am converting the equation full thing into only cot. So this tan 2a can be written as, right, tan 2a can be written as cot 90 minus 2a, right? That is cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta form, right? So these tan and cot are complementary pairs. So either this tan you can convert into cot or the cot can be converted into tan. So here I am writing tan to cot. Cot of 90 minus 2a and is equal to cot a minus 18 degree, right? So both the sides are the same trigonometric ratio, so the angle can be equated. So 90 minus 2a is equal to a minus 18 degree. So a you bring it one side and all the angles you bring it to other side. 90 plus 18 is equal to a plus 2a, right? So here we have 108 degree is equal to 3a. So a is equal to 108 divided by 3, which is nothing but 36 degree. So answer for this is a is equal to 36 degree. Check out whether it is matching with the given condition or not, whether the given condition is satisfied or not. The given condition is 2a is less than 90 degree. So check out what is the value of 2a here. 2 into 36 is 72 degree, which is nothing but less than 90 degrees. So the given condition is also satisfied. For more videos, please do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Let us know your suggestions and queries in the comment box. Thank you.